Today we will discuss timber beam design, NZS 3603, the timber structure standard. Overview of NZS 3603. NZS 3603 sets out requirements for the design, fabrication, and construction of timber structural elements. It's used to determine the strength, stiffness, and stability of timber members, and the material properties of various grades of timber and engineered wood products. It applies to both residential and commercial timber structures, using the limit state design approach, ultimate limit state, and serviceability limit state. Timber. Timber is a type of wood suitable for engineering purposes, widely used for both temporary and permanent construction. It is popular in Australia because it's lightweight, cost-effective, allows fast construction, has good thermal performance, and is sustainable. Timber grades. NZS 3603 classifies structural timber into strength and stiffness grades. Visual stress grades, like SG6 and SG8. Machine stress grades, like MSG6 and MSG8. Machine-evaluated lumber, like MGP10 and MGP12. Glued laminated timber grades, like GL8 and GL10. Laminated veneer lumber grades, like LVL8, LVL10, and LVL13. And hardwoods, D2 through D6. Timber design, step by step. Load and load combinations. Identify loads, dead load, live load, snow load, and earthquake. Combine loads as per structural design codes, AS 1170 and the New Zealand Building Code. Compute internal stresses and moments, including axial force, shear, and bending moments. Timber grade and properties. Select the timber grade and species as per NZS 3603 and obtain characteristic values for bending strength, compression and tensile strength, shear strength, and modulus of elasticity. Design strengths. Calculate design strengths from characteristic stresses, applying the applicable factors as per NZS 3603. To account for real conditions, design stresses must be reduced. Internal forces and design of structural members. Calculate design internal forces using static or structural analysis for the desired structural members, taking the maximum bending moment and shear force from the load cases. Beam design checks include bending, strength, shear strength, serviceability, bearing, and lateral torsional buckling. Column design includes compression, buckling, serviceability, and bearing checks. Joints. Joints transfer load between timber members through steel fasteners or timber to timber steel frames. NZS 3603 covers the design of timber connections used in structural framing. Design of special structures. NZS 3603 also addresses the design of special timber structures. Design of plywood. Plywood is an engineered wood panel made up of thin layers of glued wood with alternating grain directions. NZS 3603 provides design stresses for plywood. Glued laminated timber design. Laminated timber mainly refers to glulam, or glue laminated timber, LVL, or laminated veneer lumber, and other laminated assemblies like box beams, built-up members, and flange web composites. Laminated timber allows construction of large, strong, dimensionally stable timber members that exceed the limits of solid sawn timber. Fire resistance design. NZS 3603 includes methods for the fire resistance of timber members, calculating the effective section after charring for the required fire rating. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to Engineer 2025 for more.